Rap battles by Sarmad Rao. We have Pakistani cricketers showing off their English skills in post-match interview. Let's go! We have with us Pakistan's captain Babar. Tell us about the game today, you played awesome. Tell us what you think about your captaincy. What will be the strategy in Asia Cup T20? Yesterday, Alhamdulillah, boys play good. We play bad sometimes, depend on the mood. I hit so many 6k, bad gear toot. Then I got out because I wanted to eat food. Yes, I'm good captain, Captain Jack Sparrow. When I see ball, I hit it like an arrow. For Asia Cup T20, हमें बिल्कुल ready. Tell all the teams के आ रहे हैं daddy. Hello Sarfaraz, congrats on the win. How was the pitch today? Did the ball spin? Tell us about the weather. How is the condition? Did you guys play according to your expectation? John by grace of God, we have won the match. हालांकि idiot हसन अली ने छोड़ दिया था catch. We bowl good, we feel good, we were good with bat, but I got run out because I am getting fat. I was at my home playing with my daughter. मैं तो यहाँ players को पिलाने आया था water. I'll tell you about the pitch. It's a little dry. बस भी कर दो bitch. अब कर दूंगा मैं cry. Hey there Shaheen, you took a lot of wickets. I must say you're playing a very good cricket. Tell us about the ball today, how was the swing? When it comes to swing, we know you are the king. Ball hit pad, then I shout loud. Umpire gives out, pagal ho gaya crowd. Yes, I am king. Do you have doubt? Now shut up your mouth, I'll put you in the ground. If you like the video, be sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. Follow on Facebook and follow on Instagram. Thank you.